Assalamu alaikum. In this meeting, we're going to discuss how to plot coordinates on the axis, how to plot coordinates. And first, there are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis is horizontal and the y-axis is vertical. Along the x-axis, along the x-axis, the values of x are increasing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And along the y-axis, y values increase vertically. And as you can see over here, the y values are increasing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how do we plot a coordinate on this axis, in this plane? The first main point that you need to understand is that this is the origin. This is a very important point. At this point, both x and y are 0. So at the origin, both x and y are 0, and x increases horizontally and y increases vertically. Now, how do we plot a point? This point, the star that you see, goes 6 units across and 4 units upwards. So when we plot a coordinate, it is written in the form x comma y. So this will be 6 comma 4. 6 comma 4. This point, I'm giving you 5 seconds. The coordinate is 2 comma 8. 2 across and 8 up. Again, x comma y. Please remember, we write it in the form x comma y. That's very important. The x coordinate comes first, then the y coordinate. This point, 7 across and 8 up. This point, 2 across and 5 up. This point, 5 comma 3. 1 comma 9, and so on. This is 9 comma 1, the cylinder. This is an interesting point to consider. At this point, x is 2, but as I told you, y changes vertically. So along the x-axis, y is 0. So this point has the coordinates 2 comma 0. Similarly, this point has the coordinates 7 comma 0. This point has the coordinate 0 comma 4, reason being this one. 0 comma 4, reason being x is 0 along the y-axis. Along the y-axis, x is 0. So x is 0 at this point at the star, and y is 4. So it has the coordinate 0 comma 4. This point has the coordinates 0 comma 7. Again, x is 0 along the vertical axis, the y-axis. And at the origin, we've already discussed both are 0. Now this is plotting points in the first quadrant. There are actually 4 quadrants in this plane. So the there are 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant. This is the second. This is the third. And this is the fourth quadrant. The point P has the coordinates 8, 5, just as an example. Now, to the left of the origin, x values are negative, and above the origin, y values are positive, and below the origin, this is the origin, this point, 0, 0. Below the origin, y values are negative. So the point O has the coordinates -7, 9. You go 7 across and 9 up. 7 across, and now to the left, it's going to the left of the origin. So -7 and 9 up. The point A has the coordinates -6, -4. And the point F has the coordinates 9, -2. Just to give you an idea regarding the quadrants, in the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In the third quadrant, both are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So this is a summary of how to plot coordinates in this plane. So we've discussed, the key point is first you write the x coordinate, then the y coordinate, x, y. I hope this video helps you in understanding plotting coordinates. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Assalam alaikum.